Hello my friends. In this modeling project, I am building a multi-part project of the M1132 Stryker ESV engineer squad vehicle with SMP, AMP, surface mine plow in scale 1:35 from Trumpeter. Was trying to emulate this wire on the box cover, and in the end, off camera, I prepared this wire with eyes, with leftovers from other projects, and even from this kit. I wanted to add many details to this project, but since nowadays I do not have the time, this wire, and a few more things that I will add later on, will have to suffice. Attention! Keep always in mind that after gluing, painting, etc., to let things dry. Super gluing. Off camera, added these green stuff world, bronze color chains of 1.5 millimeters in scale 1:35. German panzer gray primer. Airbrushing. First coating has dried, second coating. Same process with the rest of the stuff. The manual says to use light green, but since it doesn't have the same color for Valejo or ammo by MiG, I will do it my way. Starting with US olive drab post-World War II. First coating is done, and we'll let it dry. As you can see, it is quite close to the color of the manual. Did the rims off camera. Onto the gun. Second coating. Off camera we'll do the bottom, and a few more details. We'll be doing highlights with a mix of 60% green base, 40% forest green, and couple drops of tan yellow. Airbrushing. Back to US olive drab post-World War II. Back to highlights with my mix. We'll do some details work, mostly off camera. We'll do the smaller and bigger lights with orange, the mirrors with silver and their outer parts with dark gray, painting with silver, but I will finish off camera. The story so far. Place this off camera. Painting with orange. Painting with silver. painted off camera the tool's wooden parts with a mix of 50% khaki brown and 50% khaki, painting with metallic gray. More metallic gray painting, finishing whenever needed, off camera. Painting with clear blue, and we'll finish off camera. The story so far. Gunship gray and painting. Gluing the clear plastic with Tamiya's extra thin cement fast setting. Black. MIG's old rust. Glossy varnish, one coating off camera. MIG's decal set before placing the decals, and MIG's decal fix afterwards. The first prepares the surface, and the second takes care of any curves, bumps, etc. Pressing with a cotton swab to take away the excess air or liquids below the decal without damaging it. When things have dried very well, then we use the decal fix. Hopefully you like the project, and please be patient for the release of its presentation. Because I love this amazing art, and I strive to be better, please do help me by sharing your words of wisdom in the comments below. To be continued. Hit the like, subscribe, and notifications bell buttons. This way, together, we can grow a community around the exciting art of scale modeling. Stay tuned for more M1132 Stryker inspired content, as well as for more scale modeling videos. Thanks for watching.